Well, what's that?
I'm coming in.
Well, here we are at Seaside Beach.
Seaside, and we're
Kelly's
having lunch.
doing a video of me, doing a video of her. And look at how beautiful.
Look, this is a view. It is a view. Oh my goodness. We're having lunch. Mark is having a lobster roll.
And these are the best. Raw oyster. Hot sauce. Hot sauce. Sort of like hot sauce.
This is gorgeous. And Autumn is eating Doritos until her grilled cheese gets here. But then we're also having some shrimp cocktail. Where is Norman? Beautiful. Okay, we'll give y'all a little update later.